Ayubovan. Welcome to DPKIDS. Januli is here with us today.
Yes.
This program is designed for kids who want to improve skills and knowledge about drawing. And you can train your hand, muscles and fingers with these exercises. So there are so many benefits of these exercises. We will guide you for that. So today we are going to draw a bird's nest. I think you all know that by now, yeah? Have you ever seen a bird's nest?
Yes.
What type of nests? Tell me the shape of the nest.
Okay.
There are so many.
Round shape?
Yeah, and?
Hanging ones?
Yes, have you seen hanging ones?
Yes.
Do you know whose nest is it? It's the weaver bird's nest.
Yes.
They are the architects in the birdie's world. But today we chose a round nest to draw. We can see those around a lot. Shall we start then?
Okay.
Now we have to draw a round shape. Okay, dear? Wait and see, will you? You have to draw a round shape with a zigzag line. Or you can use a wobbly one if you want. Yours is more like a lightning line pattern. Good. Wow, awesome, that's great. Now, draw a small round in the middle using the same line pattern. Kids who watch through YouTube can follow the steps too. Okay? Here we go. Great! That's good. Now we are going to draw the eggs. You can draw here an oval shape, another one here. Okay? Yeah, some are a little pointy on top. And another one we can draw here. Okay? That's really nice. Okay. The majority of nests are on top of trees. So we can draw some leaves around here. Draw a leaf here. And then another one here. And shall we draw another leaf to balance here also? Okay. And another one like this. We have to balance the drawing and fill it up a little with leaves and branches. You can use your imagination here and draw it in your way. Okay, that's really nice. Cool. Now you can add dashes around like this to show it's dried grass which used to weave the nest. Okay, good. Now, let's move to the next step. We will color. We have a beautiful nest here. Shall we show it to them? So what do you think? It's beautiful. I think it's nice. So, kids, walk around your house. You might see some of these around. See them from a distance and let them enjoy their lives in peace. Keep every detail in your mind so you can use it later in your arts. So, hope you enjoyed today's program. Practice drawing, and kids, go to our YouTube channel and subscribe us, and
Comment
also,
and like us.
yes, comment.
Yes, comment us.
And if you like to join us like Januli, mention that also. If you have any requests, comment below. We will draw those too. So see you soon with another new video. So until then, to everyone, good luck!